Alright. I'm trying to unbox this. Oh my gosh. Hold on. Battery comes separate in a separate box. Something interesting. Leave it. Thank you. And yep, it's the same battery as the original Glacier. Cool. That should be it. Yeah. Big booklet for a battery. Gee. I'll do that. No. Very clear. Plug it in and see what it looks like, huh? Very nice. It's gonna be pretty heavy when it's loaded in. Got the energy guide sticker on the side. What's this? Oh, it's to hold this shut. So what's in this thing? Oh yeah, the dual-sided lid that comes off. That is pretty cool. Oh yeah, this will be a little bit easier to wield around than the normal Glacier. There's all this stuffy stuff. There's no stuffy stuff? Am I blind? I just not know enough about it. The battery goes. Cool. Oh, wrong way. So why you read the manual first? Oh, right next to my leg. So that's on. I don't know if you guys can see that. You're very curious with this one. Now, car charger, normal AC adapter, cool. Let's plug it in. Ooh, that's a nice light. Nice light, guys. Looking pretty bright. Screen's a lot smaller, a lot less fragile than the original Glacier. Kind of cool. Got a flashing light, 99 plus hours, which is obviously wrong right now. It's running it. There's a city to plug into. Did it handle? Oh! Man, I'm stupid. There you go. What are you doing? Oh, yeah, the compressor just kicked on. Very quiet. Let's see. Oh, I'm using my phone to record. So I'm mess around with the settings, see what we got here. What was that? What is that noise? Oh, little gasket seal over here. Oh, that must be so you can open it. Think, girl. Interesting. You lock the screen? Assuming you hold that. Very nice. Yeah, that's pretty cool. And there's a little sticker right here. Let's see what we can do here about this. A little sticker in here that shows all of the temperatures, which is kind of nice. That noise is just this thing rattling around. That would be annoying. But I'm assuming if you have something in here, you wouldn't have that noise. Yeah. This is what the screen looks like. Handles lift up. Cover up the serial number. I don't really know. And that's where the plug is. It has like a rubber grommet to close it. Light's very bright. Yeah, the dual opening side thing is kind of nifty. I do like that. You can take the whole lid off. Very quiet. Very nice.